How to get real estate templates in Monday.com. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to get real estate templates for your company in Monday.com. If you don't know yet, Monday.com is a project management tool that lets you have a workspace so that you can manage all your details or your tasks, all your data. You can also monitor your employees and others. So let's get started. First, you can go to your monday.com dashboard, and then as you can see in the left side here, there is workspace. So if I click this one, I have two workspace for now, and I'm gonna add new one for my real estate company, let's say. So I'm gonna click this one, add workspace, and then I will name it real estate like this and just click add workspace. And as you can see in the left side, this is my workspace. I'm gonna choose this one, real estate, and in this first icon, I'm gonna click this one to add item, and then I'm gonna scroll down to template center. Click this one, and as you can see on the left side, there is the industry you maybe need. So there are also real estate here. You can click it, or I'm gonna search it, real estate. And as you can see, there are three templates you can choose. So there are real estate agency management, real estate CRM, and real estate CRM. So let's say I need this one, real estate agency management. I click this and I can see the preview for the template, you can check it. A lot of templates here. You could, if you think this is good, you can just click this template, click this row and choose the workspace. So I'm gonna choose this one, real estate, and it's success. As you see, this is my template for my real estate agency management. You can see this is the listing. You can edit it. You can modify everything here. You can put the agent name, the address, and the leads. And you can also choose the agent here, and everything you can change. Listing status, you can change it, negotiation and others, active. There is also listing time here. You can edit it, and also a lot of you know the things you can do, the property and the price. You can scroll it and you will find a link to agent and others. You can edit it uh, as you need. So yeah, I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.